If you've been looking for the perfect stationary table milling machine but aren't sure where to start, this review is for you. Today we're ranking 5 popular models from weakest to best, so you know exactly which one fits your needs. Starting off in the 5th spot, we have the Proxin MF70. This is a true micro milling machine. Tiny, precise, and perfect for delicate work. Think jewelry making, miniature models, or fine electronics. It's not here to outmuscle the big guys, but it excels in small-scale precision. Its high spindle speed, up to 20,000 RPM, means it can handle tiny cutters with ease. You get fine control thanks to precise hand wheels, and the compact size means it can literally fit on a small workbench or even a sturdy desk. If you're tight on space, that's a big win. But with such a small frame comes serious limitations. The work area is extremely tight and the power output is minimal. This machine isn't for heavy-duty cutting or large workpieces. It's for the detail work that the big machines just can't do well. If you're a hobbyist working with small, intricate projects, this could be your dream setup. And remember, links to all the products we covered today at the best prices we could find are in the description below. In 4th place, we have the Steel Dragon Tools SDT-SM-MILL. It's a compact, benchtop model with a bit more muscle than the Proxxon, making it more versatile for light-duty work. It comes with a generous set of accessories, so you can get started right out of the box. Dual speed ranges make it adaptable for different materials, and safety features like a shut-off switch and clear spindle guard give you some extra peace of mind. The multiple feed controls also make it more flexible than smaller, simpler machines. The biggest drawback is still the low power, just 0.2 horsepower, so while it's a step up from the Proxxon, it's not ready for serious heavy-duty milling. The work area is still small compared to mid-range models. If you want something a bit more capable than a micro mill, but still compact and beginner-friendly, this is a solid choice. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. 3rd place goes to the Klutch mini milling machine. This one steps things up with a 1/2 horsepower motor, a tilting head for angled cuts, and a sturdy cast iron build that helps keep vibrations low. It's compact enough for most small workshops, yet more capable than the first 2 machines we covered. The tilting head and column give you a lot more flexibility in shaping and drilling, and that extra power means you can work with tougher materials and larger bits than the Proxxon or Steel Dragon could handle comfortably. However, it's still on the smaller side in terms of work envelope, and while more powerful, it won't replace a full-size milling machine for large projects. It also doesn't come with a ton of extra features, so you might need to budget for add-ons. For hobbyists who need something versatile but don't have space for a large machine, this is a nice balance between capability and size. In 2nd place is the Inspyang rcog 25V, which jumps us into professional territory. With a 1.5 horsepower brushless motor, you get smoother, quieter, and more efficient operation. The wide speed range makes it adaptable for all sorts of materials, and the plus or minus 90-degree tilting head is a big plus for angled operations. The ER32 Calais system is a real standout, giving you accuracy and flexibility when it comes to tool holding. This machine offers a significant increase in work area and table travel, making it far more practical for medium to large projects. That said, quality control can vary, and some users have reported minor issues like drawbar threading or play in the Z-axis. Still, these are often fixable, and the raw capability here is impressive. If you need a workhorse that can handle both light and heavier jobs without jumping up to a massive industrial mill, this is a great pick. At the top of our list is the Jet JMD-15, a stationary mill drill that combines serious power, versatility, and rock-solid build quality. Its heavy cast iron frame makes it incredibly stable, and the large table with a 350-pound capacity means you can work on big, heavy pieces without worry. The swivel head adds flexibility, while features like a built-in work lamp and quick stop knob make it more convenient to use. This is a machine designed for those who want serious capability without stepping into the full industrial class. Its only real downsides are the weight, which makes moving and installation tricky, and the round column, which isn't quite as rigid as a square one. But for most workshop needs, those are small trade-offs for what you get. If you want a stationary table milling machine that can handle almost anything you throw at it, this is the one to beat. That's our ranking from smallest and most precise to big and powerful. Check out the links in the description to see the top machines at the best prices, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss our next deep dive review. Where it's